February 27, 2025. So today guys, it's already mag 5 o'clock in the morning na. So around 4:35 a.m. since advance pa yung ride namin. So parang breakfast or midday sa ko. Tapos nagpa-deliver ako ng sa uncle dyan. So meron siyang kasamang UFC gravy. So i-check natin kung ilang calories itong isang serving. So sign natin label. So UFC gravy sa sarap 50 gram. Bali ingredients ng gravy ay water, chicken gravy, spice blend. So yung spice blend niya, wheat flour, monosodium glutamate o betchin, disodium inosinate, and disodium glutamate, flavor enhancer, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, soy sauce, whey, natural and artificial flavor, spices. So yung palang gravy ay betchin at soy sauce. No, so meron din pa itong konting milk. So ang tanong, ilang calorie ito? So itong small pack na to is only 20 calories. Yun ang sagot. So pwede. So manufactured by NutriAsia in BGC, product of the Philippines. So ito yung consumer natin nila. Then ito yung QR code. So 20 calories. So yun lang guys. Sinali na natin siya guys. So yan ang siyang gravy. So medyo okay naman. So thank you guys.